Hello everybody, welcome back to the continuation of the Shopify experiment set of videos. We will continue working through issues I have faced, challenges or just general how-tos that I found quite difficult to find on the internet. So I will be doing small tutorials on how you can also do this. Today's video is about breadcrumbs. Just a small intro. A breadcrumb is the navigation path, and you can have it at the top of your website, and it will show you how to navigate or what the path you've navigated to get to said page. It will contain the previous pages as hyperlinks, and you can click on them to navigate back and forth. This helps immensely with making navigation smoother so that customers know where they are at all times, and also actually does help with search engine optimization. You need to have collections set up beforehand in order for the breadcrumbs to work effectively. There is another video on this explaining how collections is set up. Please ensure you do watch the collections video because it goes on into two areas. The first is the creating of the collection itself, and the second is the menu items. The menu section of it determines the hierarchy. You'll see in some sites they'll tell you how to create the breadcrumbs, but it will just be one tier. But having the menu set up correctly then determines having second or third tier breadcrumbs. So if you don't have the menu set up correctly, as shown in the collections video, it will just show one tier. So it'll only show the home and then the product as the breadcrumb, rather than going down if you have something like I have, which is the home, all products, brand, and then the product itself. So you can have multi-tier, but that's based on the menu system. This is how it will look on your store. So we will be working with code on this change. One thing I would recommend is duplicating your theme first so you don't lose anything. I have been bitten before where I've made a change and I've messed up the main theme, so having a backup is good practice. So how to do this is if you click on the online store, click on the three dots and duplicate. This will create you a duplicate theme that you can play with. Next, you want to click on Edit Code, go into the Sections folder and right click to add a new file. You want to name it breadcrumb.liquid. Copy and paste the breadcrumb code that can be found on the link I've provided in the comments, which will take you to my blog. Go back to edit theme in the theme editor. Within the header section, add a new section and select new option for breadcrumb navigation. This is what it should look like when you are done. You can customize the fonts, colors and sizing so it matches the rest of your store. You can also have the little home icon appear or disappear as you'd want. Up to an extent, it is personal preference, but personally, breadcrumbs for me are very much worth having. It does make your store feel more polished. There is better search engine optimization, and it does help with user experience as well. I hope this was helpful. Thank you, and please subscribe. Bye for now.